Hi guys, I'm making another video. In this video, today I'm going to show you some of my battles. As you can see here, in this battle, I got rank 1 in this as well, but it has no replay available. That's bad, but no problem. Still, I'm going to show you some rankings. So, let's start. Wait, not right now. Yes, let's start with this recording, this power play match recording. As you can see guys, in this match I am playing with Mortis with the coiled snake star power, which I got it when I made the last video. This match is very nice. It's going fine. Lot of colds were killing each other, but my cold wasn't killing anyone. I don't understand why. We got 7 power ups. That was a very great start. That's why we got first place. We were hiding in this bush. There was a Pam there. I just jumped on her and killed her, and came back so I don't die. So look, this Colt and M Steen almost made us lose, but still we won because we got so much cubes and skills as well to play. Let's see how I won this game. So you see guys, I was checking the right moment to come on that Ems. That was the moment. When I killed her, I had 944 health. So my Colt tried to kill the other Colt so we don't die. And he killed the Colt. See how? He killed the Colt but the M spawned. So I made my mind that I am now going to kill this Ems. I die and this Ems die as well. That Colt didn't spawn, so we won this game. Now go and watch some other recordings. Let's watch this and the upper recording and wrap this video. I got second place in this showdown match. I was playing Surge, as I got him, and this Brock has tried to kill me. If I had the gadget, I would have just killed him. There was a bull also hiding there. I tried to charge my super on that bull. I went after him, got my super. See how? Like this. Then upgraded and went to take some chest. Look, this Nani teamed up, trying to get my super again. So that was a nice recording. Look, this Nani one-shotted the Brock for me. And there was another Surge over there. I teamed up with him. He got his super, but I didn't. So I was upset. But I got my super somehow. I don't know how. And now I upgraded as well to stage 3 with Mr. Surge. And I just stayed quick and took this power up which was in the gas. We three were teaming up I don't understand that Surge didn't understand that we were teaming up with Nani, but that's fine, no problem at all. So this Surge won the game because he has more health, more cubes as well. He just killed that Nani. And I level upgraded. I forgot to upgrade, and died. So I got second place in this match. But look, this other match, my recent match. Just look, this match was very nice. Very good match. See how. So let's go ahead. I was crying and trying to get my super. So just nothing without a super. I mean his first upgrade. And Surge is everything after his first upgrade. That's why Surge is the second best brawler in the game. After Mr. Gale. Look, this Rico tried to kill me, but I survived somehow. And charged my super on this Shelly. Look how I charged my super on Shelly. So guys, Spoko came here to kill me. And cried and I was trying to team up. Spoko teamed up. That Shelly was continuously on me. And then I got my super. And then we just teamed up against the Shelly. And then she died. Yes, she died. Sandy took all the cubes. Look, I am a poor little Surge with 1 cube. Trying to charge my super on Poco. He understood that. I got my super. I level upgraded when this Poco went away. And then just look. Just wait for the poison gas to come ahead. See what did I do. Just look guys. When the poison gas came ahead, I was crying that I will lose. But somehow I started to kill them and just jumped on them. And we all died, but I got first place. Just look. So guys, let's play another game and wrap this video. So there are 7 brawlers right now in the server. 8, 10. So let's begin with our match. So let's see who spawns near me. Let me take this chest. It will take a long time for me to go ahead if I take this chest, but still it's fine. Now I'll go middle and charge my super. That's my only goal, just to upgrade myself a little bit. Let's team up with this Pam. Let's come ahead. What did you thought, that you will kill me? I used that Pam and upgraded. That's nice. I literally used this Pam. and upgraded myself up a little bit. On the first stage, I'm against this spam. What is this Ems doing inside? Let's wait for her to come outside. Oh no, this Jessie is hitting every single shot on that Frank. Oh, me too. Die, you noob. Let's upgrade to stage 3. That gives me that added range. That Jessie has power cubes. Let me go ahead and charge my super. Let's get this turret first. I got the turret. Oh, I got the upgrade. That's how we do it. Oh, I killed them both. So that's nice. I won another game, ranked up. So guys, this is going to be it for this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share your views that how this video was. I got 72 battle tokens. That's nice.